Hello everyone, I'm SaTales and today it's time for a new Blender lesson. In this new Blender series, I will teach you in short videos some useful Blender tips and tricks. Today we will learn how to return the 3D cursor to the world origin in Blender. So let's go. When we open Blender, the default position of the 3D cursor is at the world origin. But what if we accidentally move it somewhere else, for example here? There are two ways to return it to the world origin. One is without the shortcut, and the other is with the shortcut. Let me first show you without using the shortcut. Go to Object, Snap, Cursor to World Origin. And that is it. Or if you want to use the shortcut, press Shift plus S and select Cursor to World Origin, or just press 1 on your keyboard. If you want to learn more about 3D cursor, origin, and other interesting topics, feel free to check out my free Blender guide, which I update regularly on my Patreon. I will put the link in the description. That is all for today. If you had fun learning with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I recently started a Patreon with more exclusive content like 3D models, blend files, etc. There is something for both free and paid members, so don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Happy blending, everyone. Bye. See you next time.